The best soil for strawberry plants. Strawberries prefer well-drained soil that's high in organic matter. The best soil for strawberries drains away excess water so the plants don't rot and contains ample amounts of well-rotted manure or compost. Soil testing. Test the soil before planting strawberries, as they do best in soil that falls between 5.5 to 6.5 on the acidity scale, which is almost neutral. Lower readings call for the addition of lime to raise the numbers to the proper level. Growth requirements. Strawberries do not send down deep roots, but they prefer soil that has been spaded and loosened to provide optimum drainage. Grow strawberries on raised beds, which are more efficient at draining excess water from the plants, suggests the Ohio State University Extension. Fertilizers. If the soil hasn't been tested, the North Carolina Extension Service recommends spreading 4 pounds of 10-10-10 fertilizer per 100 feet of row at least 2 weeks before planting time. This will correct deficiencies in the levels of nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus that strawberries need for proper development and fruit production.